Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, the ever-rising price of gas. It feels like every time we visit the pump, the numbers just keep climbing. But what if I told you there are simple, effective ways to fight back and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket? Gas stations might not advertise these, but today, I am spilling the beans on 13 fuel-saving secrets that will make a real difference to your wallet and your car's efficiency. Stick around, because you won't want to miss a single one of these tips. Let's start with a big one: your driving style. Are you an aggressive driver? Do you love that feeling of flooring it when the light turns green and then slamming on the brakes at the next one? Well, that thrill is costing you a fortune. Rapid acceleration and hard braking can slash your gas mileage by up to 30% on the highway and even more in city traffic. The secret here is to be smooth. Pretend there's a cup of coffee on your dashboard and you don't want to spill it. Accelerate gently, anticipate stops, and coast whenever you can. It's not just safer. It's like getting a discount on every single tank of gas. Next up, let's talk about speed. We all want to get where we're going quickly, but exceeding the speed limit is a major fuel guzzler. Most cars reach their peak fuel efficiency somewhere between 50 and 60 miles per hour. Once you start pushing past that, especially into the 70s and 80s, your engine has to work much harder to overcome wind resistance, and your fuel economy plummets. Driving just 5 miles per hour over the limit can reduce your fuel efficiency by about 7%. So slow down, set that cruise control on the highway, and enjoy a more relaxed and cheaper ride. Secret number 3 is all about idling. We've all done it, waiting in a drive-thru, picking someone up, or just sitting in the car to finish a phone call. But if you're going to be stopped for more than 30 seconds, it's actually more fuel efficient to turn your engine off and restart it when you're ready to go. An idling car can burn through a surprising amount of fuel, up to half a gallon per hour, depending on your vehicle. Modern cars are built for frequent starts and stops, so don't worry about extra wear and tear. Turn it off and save. Now for secret number 4, lighten your load. Your car is not a storage unit. Take a look in your trunk and back seat. Are you hauling around old sports equipment, bags of stuff you meant to donate, or heavy toolboxes you don't need for your daily commute? All that extra weight makes your engine work harder, which means it burns more fuel. For every 100 pounds of extra weight you carry, you can reduce your MPG by up to 1%. It might not sound like much, but it adds up over time. Clean out your car and you'll get a cleaner, more efficient ride. Speaking of things on your car, let's talk about aerodynamics. This is secret number 5. Car manufacturers spend millions designing cars to be as sleek and aerodynamic as possible. When you add things like a roof rack or a cargo box, you disrupt that airflow and create drag. A loaded roof rack can decrease your fuel economy by a staggering 25% at highway speeds. If you don't need it, take it off. Even driving with your windows down on the highway creates drag. At speeds over 55 miles per hour, it's actually more fuel efficient to use your air conditioning than to have the windows open. Let's move on to vehicle maintenance, which is where some of the most overlooked secrets lie. Secret number 6 is tire pressure. This is one of the easiest and most important checks you can do. Underinflated tires have more rolling resistance, meaning your engine has to work harder to move the car. For every 1 psi that all 4 of your tires are underinflated, you can lose about 0.2% of your fuel economy. That adds up fast. Check your tire pressure at least once a month. The correct pressure is listed on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb, not on the tire itself. Properly inflated tires are safer, last longer, and save you money. It's a win-win-win. Secret number 7. Use the right motor oil. Check your owner's manual. Next, secret number 8 is all about your air filter. Your engine needs to breathe, just like you do. A clogged or dirty air filter restricts the amount of air flowing into the engine, which can hurt performance and fuel economy. Think of it like trying to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. Replacing a dirty air filter is a cheap and easy DIY job that can improve your gas mileage by as much as 10% in some older cars. It's one of the best bangs for your buck when it comes to vehicle maintenance. Let's keep the maintenance train going with secret number 9. Check your gas cap. This one is so simple, it's almost silly, but it's surprisingly common. A loose, cracked, or missing gas cap can allow fuel to evaporate right out of your tank. Gas is a volatile liquid, and those fumes are essentially unburned fuel escaping into the atmosphere. A bad gas cap can reduce your fuel economy by 1 to 2%. So after you fill up, make sure you hear that click. If your check engine light comes on, a loose gas cap is one of the most common culprits. Now, let's switch gears and talk about fueling up itself. This is where gas stations really hope you don't know the secrets. Secret number 10. Don't top off your tank. You know how the pump clicks off automatically when your tank is full? That's your sign to stop. If you try to squeeze in a little extra, that excess fuel often goes into the vapor recovery system, not your tank. This can damage the system and means you're literally pouring money down the drain. You're paying for gas that your car can't even use. Fill it until it clicks, and then stop. Secret number 11 is about when you buy your gas. Fuel is denser when it's cooler. Gas pumps measure volume, not density. So, when you pump cooler, denser gas, you're getting more fuel molecules for your money. The best time to buy gas is early in the morning or late at night when the ground and the underground storage tanks are at their coolest. Pumping gas in the middle of a hot day means you're getting less dense, expanded fuel. It's a small difference, but over a year, it can add up to a free tank of gas or more. Here's a great one, secret number 12. Use fuel and loyalty apps. Gas stations are businesses, and they compete for your loyalty. Apps like GasBuddy, Upside, and the specific apps from major brands like Shell or BP can save you a ton of money. They show you the cheapest prices in your area and offer cents per gallon discounts through their loyalty programs. A few minutes of planning before you fill up can easily save you 10 to 25 cents per gallon, or even more. Never pay the price on the sign without checking for a discount first. Finally, we arrive at secret number 13, and this one is about your route. The shortest route is not always the most fuel efficient. A route with fewer stop signs, traffic lights, and less congestion is often better, even if it's a little longer. Use navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze, which often have an eco-friendly routing option. This feature analyzes factors like traffic and elevation changes to find the route that will use the least amount of fuel. Avoiding steep hills and stop-and-go traffic can have a huge impact on your overall mileage. So there you have it, 13 secrets to save you a significant amount of money on gas. Let's do a quick recap. Drive smoothly, obey the speed limit, avoid unnecessary idling, lighten your car's load, and reduce aerodynamic drag. On the maintenance side, keep your tires properly inflated, use the right oil, change your air filter, and check your gas cap. And when you're at the pump, don't top off, buy gas when it's cool, use loyalty apps, and plan your route for efficiency. Individually, these might seem like small changes, but when you combine them, the savings are massive. You will not only save money but also reduce wear and tear on your vehicle and lower your carbon footprint. Start implementing these tips today and watch your fuel costs drop. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another money-saving tip. Let me know in the comments which of these secrets you're going to try first, or if you have any of your own to share. Drive smart, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.